Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust layers in Canva to create a beautiful multi-layered effect. Whether you're working on a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, understanding how to work with layers will truly elevate your designs and give you much more creative control. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate Canva's layers, arrange your elements just the way you want, and add unique effects for that standout professional look. Alright, let's dive right in. Here on my Canva workspace, I've already got a multi-layer design open. You'll notice there are several graphics overlapping each other. Think of them like a pile of photographs on a desk. Sometimes it's tricky to select just the right one if they're stacked closely. To get started managing your layers, simply click on the design itself. Once you have your design selected, you'll see an option at the top called Position. Go ahead and click that. This is Canva's gateway for handling your layers. Inside the Position menu, you'll see a tab labeled Layers. If you've never used this before, don't worry, it's actually very intuitive. Clicking Layers opens up a visual list of every single element you have on your canvas, almost like seeing a transparent stack with each element shown from back to front. This is super helpful because it lets you see at a glance what's on top, what's hiding underneath, and exactly how everything is stacked. For example, if a piece of text keeps disappearing behind a photo, this is where you can spot it and drag it to the front. Now let's add some effects and really make these layers pop. It's as simple as selecting any graphic you want to enhance. Just click on the element. Let's start with this circle here. Once selected, you'll see all sorts of effect options appear across the top menu, things like shadows, glows, and even more advanced features like transparency or color filters. Pick an effect that fits your vision. Maybe add a subtle shadow to give the graphic some depth or a glow to highlight it against your background. You can adjust the intensity or the color of the effect, have some fun experimenting. This part might take a few moments, and that's totally okay. Creativity doesn't need to be rushed. Go through your graphics one by one, layering those effects thoughtfully. Remember, each effect you apply can help certain parts of your design stand out or feel more cohesive. If you want one element to be the star, boost its brightness or add a really eye-catching outline. Want something to feel tucked away or subtle, lighten it up or soften the edges. The possibilities are endless and you're in full control here. Don't worry if you change your mind, Canva makes it easy to go back or try something new. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, all that's left to do is get it ready to share. Click the Share button in the top right corner and then choose Download. Canva will prompt you to select your preferred file format, PNG, JPG, PDF, or even directly for social media. Pick the option that matches how you'll use your design. And that's it, you've just created a dynamic multi-layer effect using Canva's layering tools and effects menu. Give yourself a pat on the back. Layering like this instantly makes your projects look more polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you still have questions or want to share your own layer tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want more straightforward tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Canva.